Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to download MP3 music from YouTube. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to download some MP3 music here directly from YouTube and maybe use it for certain contents, let's just say you want to edit a video, upload it on YouTube again, and basically use that for whatever reason. So it's actually quite easy. So what do you need to do? Well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to access any browser that you have on your phone. So in this case, just open up any browser and you want to go and just type in the following. Now it's going to be studio.youtube.com. Now, once you've done that, you should see this page here. Now, what you need to do is you want to go and click on continue to studio. Let's go and click on it. And it should redirect you to YouTube Studio. Now, by the way, if you haven't logged in into your Google account yet, go and just log in into your account first. But once you've done that, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and go to the left side here, and you should see the music section here. That has like the two squares on top of each other. So you want to go and just click on it, and it will redirect you to the audio library inside YouTube Studio. Now the great thing about this one is this will show you different kind of music. You can even filter them if you want. You can see the genre and also the title of each song. Now, in order for you to download the music here, you need to go to the right side here, go to the added section, click on the added section, and click on download. Right? It will ask you if you want to download the file. Go and click on download again, and it will download the file for you. Now from here, if you want to access some, like let's just say sound effects, you could go and just click on sound effects. And same thing here, you should be able to see different kind of sound effects. So you can even click on the play button here if you want to listen to that specific sound effect or music. And again, you just need to go to the right side here, go to the added section, click on it, and just click on the download button, and that should download the file for you. Now in this case, that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.